I'm Abby, and today's video for today is ito nga, it's about opening gloves, no? I'm from Arcangel nga pala, and Arcangel School, and then this will be our return demonstration about opening gloves, and so ang dami nating matututunan. For our previous video nung nakaraan is about washing our hands. Procedure yon, step by step yon. Una sa lahat, itong video, makikita niyo naman is sinapunan. Tinuyo muna natin yung kamay. And second, doon na tayo nag-start na maglagay ng soap. Third video, sa baba dito, is matagal yung sa pagsasabon na. And third naman is yung sa paghuhugas. Patagal din. And pang fourth naman is, yun nga yun, yung habang naghuhugas ka ng kamay with water, with running water, kakanta ka na happy birthday. Matagal yun. It's about 3 beses or 2 beses. It depends on you. And after learning na, sana matutunin ito, new video about it is about opening gloves, and sana marami kayong matutunan. And ayun nga, and I'll make sure na itong maraming videos na to, alam ko marami kayong matutunan and mai-input nyo as your own knowledge. Kayo na bahala kung matagal ba sa inyo or hindi sa inyo matagal yung pag-proper step by step ng gloves. Yun lang po. Thank you. So, how to put on sterile gloves. People working in the medical field frequently use sterile gloves and need to know how to properly wear them. Putting them on the right way can prevent the transmission and contraction of infectious diseases to both the patient and the healthcare provider. You can put on sterile gloves by ensuring your hands are clean and then sliding them into the gloves. Of your jewelry. Although not necessary, consider taking off any rings, bracelets, or other jewelry on your hands. These could contaminate your gloves or make them difficult to put on and uncomfortable to wear. Removing your jewelry also minimizes the risk of your glove tearing. So, put your jewelry in a safe place where you can easily find it when you are done with your gloves. Video. We wash our hands truly. Before you touch your gloves or slide on your sterile gloves, wash your own hands. Yun nga, lather up your hands with soap and water, rubbing your hands under the water flow for at least 20 seconds. Rinse your hands and grease truly and then dry them. Use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer if you don't have soap and water. Some types of soap and a different amount of scrubbing time. Then number 4, keep your hands above your waist. Once your hands are truly clean, avoid letting them fall below your waistline. Standing up will help keep your arms above your waist. Part 2. Sliding on your gloves. So, open natin yung gloves. Open the sterile glove package. Inspect the package of rips, discoloring, or dampness, and discard if the package is compromised. Open the outer wrap of the pack. Make sure to open from top, then bottom, and then on the side. Remember, you only have a 1-inch margin you can touch. This will expose a sterile inner package that contains your gloves. Note that sterile gloves also have a shelf life. Before putting on your gloves, ensure that they are not expired. Open natin. So, remove the inner wrap. Una na after nyan, pick up your dominant hand glove. Means, ito yung, ipipick up natin, kukunin natin yung dominant hand glove. Using the hand, you don't use the right, grab the glove for your dominant hand. Touch only the inside of the glove cuff. Ito yun, glove cuff. Ito. Bali, nakaayos na siya, diba? Yung kaayos yung hand glove. Okay. The side of the cuff that will be touching your skin, putting on your dominant hand glove, first can minimize the risk of ripping or contamination to the hand you're likely using most. 4. Place the glove onto your dominant hand. Yan. Try na natin. Place your hand. Yan. Oops. Nalalaglag yun. Let the glove hang with the fingers pointing downward. Make sure your hands are not below the waist and above the shoulders to ensure this. So we place the glove onto our dominant hand. Let the glove hang with the fingers pointing downward. Make sure your hands are not below the waist and above the shoulders to ensure the sterility. Then slide your dominant hand into the glove with your palm facing up and fingers open. Right? Remember to touch only the inside of the glove. Prevent any potential contamination. Make adjustments. Only once the other glove is on. Adjust your gloves. No? Once both gloves are on, you can adjust them. Reach under the cuff part of each glove to pull them up or make any other adjustments you may need. Do not reach between the skin and the cuff. Smooth each glove out on your hands. They should feel snug without cutting off your circulation or feeling uncomfortable. Check the gloves for rips. Look over each hand and glove thoroughly. If you notice any visible rips, tears, or other issues, rewash your hands and put on new gloves. So, pagkatapos po natin doon, tanggalin na natin yung gloves and then tatapon na natin siya. Hindi na natin siya pwedeng hindi itapon kasi syempre contaminated na ito. Syempre na nagamit na to. So, itatapon na natin sa basurahan. Hi everyone! I'm Abby. So, ako po ay isang caregiver na nasa Arcangel. And ito po ay, ang gagawin naman po natin is
kung paano mag-ano ng sterile gown, paano siya magsuot. Pero, una, ang gagawin lang muna natin is alcohol. So, meron tayo ditong table. Ayusin yung table natin. Walang kung ano-ano mga naka-ano sa table. Naka-lapad. So, clear table.
You will have opened your sterile gown and glove packages in the operating room before beginning your hand scrub. Having completed the hand scrub, back through the door holding your hands up to avoid touching anything with your hands and arms.
Yun nga. Ngayon, nakapaghugas ako ng kamay, pag-wash ako ng hands properly, and nakapagsuot na rin ng sa head cap, and need talaga nating magkaroon ng proper hand washing. Lalo na kapag magsusuot tayo ng gloves and dapat complete yung PPE natin. So, yun nga, lagi tayong maghugas ng kamay and proper. Dun sa previous, diba, alam niyo na yun, na pag maghugas tayo ng kamay is sabunin natin yung mga gilid-gilid, yung mga singit-singit. And wag nating hayaan na may mga sabon-sabon pa yun. Hugasan natin, gamitin natin yung happy birthday na kanta for 3 seconds or 3 beses or 2 beses. Nasa sa inyo na yun. Depende sa inyo kung gagawin niyo ba siya or hindi. Pero yun ang pinaka-proper way sa paghugas ng kamay. Yun lang po. Thank you. Nakapagsuot na tayo ng PPE and yun. Ang ginawa na natin is, sinuot na natin tong sterile gloves. Gagawin natin yun is, papapunta natin siya pababa para hindi para maipasok naman natin tong kabilang gloves. So, dito natin, pasok natin yun dito. Yan. Okay. Sorry. Pasok natin dito. Yan. Ganyan. Then, ganito yung ayos. Kailangan hindi siya mahawakan. So, yan. After yan. Dito. Pasok na natin siya. Dito. Kung kabilang kamay natin. And after nyan, yun na yan. Thank you.